Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. Here we have isometric model as well as the orthotropic view. We can use any one of the view to model the component. Here I am going to use this isotropic view to model this component. Just go to the NX. This is the component I have created in NX. The same component, we are going to recreate it using NX. For that, first go to the file, new, here choose model, our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location, save OK. First we will start with the cylinder. Take this sketch. I am just taking for a top view to get the same isometric view. Choose just top view, save OK. Take the circle. Create a circle. The circle diameter is 56. Say yes. Press the roller to confirm. Just finish the sketch. Then go for extrude. Total extrusion length is also be 56. Save OK. Now just hide the sketch. Now we have created the cylinder. Then we just want to create this feature. For that we need to move the mid plane to the distance of 90 mm. For that go to the datum plane. Use the mid plane. Here we can specify the dimension. This side we can make this plane is enlarged bigger size. Save OK. Now we need to create a sketch here. Go to the sketch. Select this plane. It's coming reverse. Just reverse it. Save OK. Just hide this datum plane. Now take the rectangle. Just create a rectangle. Press the roller to confirm. Specify this width as 32 plus 8 plus 8, say yes, and this height is 24. Here make this as a symmetric, say OK. Now this sketch is fully defined. Go for finish sketch, extrude, just change the direction. Here we make it until next, say OK. Now we have created this feature also. Then go for the material removal feature of this one. For that, go to this sketch, select the surface, save OK. Take the circle, just create a circle. From here to the center distance is 48 divided by 2. Say yes, and the diameter is 32. Press the roller to confirm, then go for the finish sketch, extrude, change the direction. The total length of material removal is 40 mm. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Then we'll create this slot cut. For that, go to the sketch, select the surface, save OK. Take a circle. Just create a circle, take a rectangle. One side we have connected with the edge, the other side also we need to connect. Press the roller to confirm. Select this point and circle, make this coincident constraint. Now it will behave like a symmetric. This distance is 6 mm. Say yes, Ctrl Z, 6 mm, say no. Specify the diameter, which is 32, and this side which specify some value as 25 also, no issues. Now go for the trim, remove these unwanted edges, this one as well as this one. Then close it, then go for finish sketch, extrude, change the direction, Here we make it until next. Subtract, save. OK. Just hide the sketch. Just right click here, orient view, isometric view. Now we have finished this modeling of this component. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Next tutorial we will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.